Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 41 Root Crescent in Ajax. So we've got a freehold, 3-bedroom, 3-washroom townhouse, and I can't start this off without showing off this awesome custom built kitchen. All right, it's got all the latest gadgets in here, and let me show you the living room. All right guys, we have this nice open concept living room, and we've got huge windows over here and lets in a ton of light. Why don't you guys go around and see the rest of the house, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. So you got this awesome stone countertop over here. You have an under-mounted sink. You have upgraded plumbing fixtures, and you gotta have all soft closing hinges, right? Okay, and guess what? Convenient spice rack over here. And another cool feature is this. So you have these corner cabinetries, and it's so hard to grab out anything. Well, not with this. You don't even have to bend barely, eh? Okay, and it's got soft closing hinges here. And if you look on this side over here, you also have a built-in microwave, so it's not taking up any of your counter space. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this property. Listen, I've been saying this, and I guarantee it to you with this property, it shows much nicer in person, and I would love to show it to you guys. So my contact information is going to be on the screen, and again, this is where I ask for your help, okay? I need you to like this, I need you to share it, and most importantly, I need you to leave your comments below of what you guys think about this property. Until next time, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.